Foi inbigenti esvo in Raymond Kimi and Coptic educational channel. Not free. Tiask in Raymond Kimi. Today we are going to talk about the future simple. The future simple is easy tense. You bring the pronouns of the same present tense. After them you add na, then you add the verb. It makes the future. So it becomes tina, ikna. We notice that the K in the kappa turns into G with the X-like symbol and pronounce it K. Tira or tina, ifna, isna, tinna, titinna, sina, na, and all followed by verb. Tina means I will, ikna, you will, tira or tina, you will for feminine, ifna, you will, isna, she will, tinna, we will, titinna, you will, sina, they will, na plus verb, a noun preceded by a noun, plus na plus verb, it means someone will do so. The negation of it is simple also. You add t, this which is a pronoun or the pronoun, followed by na, followed by verb, followed by an. Tina plus verb plus an means I will not. Ikna plus verb plus an, you will not. Tira, tina plus verb plus an, you will not. Ifna plus verb plus an, he will not. Isna plus verb plus an, she will not. Tinna plus verb plus an, we will not. Tinna plus verb plus an, you will not. Sena plus verb plus an, they will not. Then noun ran or uran plus na plus verb plus an, and someone not. Another way of negation of it, we add in plus pronoun plus na and plus verb and an at the end. Inti na plus verb plus an, I will not. In ikna plus verb plus an, you will not. Intera, intena plus verb plus an, you will not. In ifna plus verb plus an, you will not. In isna plus verb plus an, she will not. In tinna plus verb plus an, we will not. In titinna plus verb plus an, you will not. In sena plus verb plus an, they will not. And we add na plus verb plus an for annihilation. An example in Revelation, Hipe tinio in kolem ba veke nimi tinati in boy katanef evoe. In English, and behold, I am coming quickly, and my reward is with me, to give to each as his work is. Its translation word by word. Hipe means behold, I, neo, come, in indication of a complement, an article which completes, which connects words. The word which comes next completes the word which came prior to it. Kolem, it's an adverb. Neo, a verb. So it completed the meaning of the verb with an adverb. Kolem, it means quickly. Pa, my, veke, reward. Nimi, with me. Ti, I, na, the construction of the future simple. Ti, I, na, will. Ti, give. M, indication of a complement. It, the word following completes the meaning of the word before. Here's the verb give. Give which thing? Boy, the one or each one. So here we used M after the verb to indicate the complement. Boy, P the, y1, b the y1, kata as if his AVOE works or deeds. Another example, هو بيجي مويسيس نو جي او هيراتين سينو إمبايما هو انتا سوتيم جي او بيتي تشويس ناهون هين اموف is vecino. In Numbers 9 verse 8, and Moses said to them, you stand by so that I may hear what the Lord will command concerning you. Translation word by word, wo and beji said Moses, no to them, j that, oi stand, eratin on feet, sino you, im in by this, ma place, wo and, enta I would, sotem listen, j that, pete which, if the choice, Lord, na with the construction of the future symbol, the subject, choice, the Lord will say, choice, na hunhen, the choice, the Lord will command, choice, Lord, na will hunhen command, of itself is way concerning or about it, sino, it means you. An example of a negation of it, intina G-O-U intin romi an. I don't receive glory from men. Translation word by word, in, not, indication of negation, T, I, na, will, G-O-U, the glory, G means to take, O-U, glory, or U, intent of Romy, man, and I don't take glory of man. You can find today's lecture on YouTube, on the website of the channel of CEC, and you can find it also in Coptic Educational Channel on archive.org/details/Coptic Educational Channel. You can, if you have a difficulty in finding, visualizing the text that appears as M squares, you can download the fonts Coptic font TNRNA or Coptic font CBT Unicode from archive.org/details/Coptic language. Očebe mot. Thanks. Shatina velotin kan vi until seeing you in the next lesson.